The Jura X10 is a masterful example of how advanced engineering and thoughtful design can transform the act of making coffee into a seamless, creative, and deeply satisfying experience. This machine stands out not only for its robust build and striking finish, but also for the sheer breadth of its capabilities, making it exceptionally well-suited for office environments, professional settings, or any space where variety, reliability, and ease of use are paramount. Just make sure to check the description box for links to the lowest price on the Jura X10. As any of the glowing Jura X10 reviews will tell you, one of the most compelling aspects of the X10 is its extraordinary versatility. The machine boasts an impressive repertoire of 35 specialty coffee drinks, including 9 that are cold extracted. This variety means that whether you're in the mood for a traditional espresso, a creamy cappuccino, or a refreshing cold brew, the X10 can deliver, all from a single, elegantly designed unit. The ability to prepare such a wide range of beverages at the touch of a button is a testament to Jura's commitment to both innovation and user-centric design. A defining feature of the X10 is its revolutionary cold extraction process. Unlike conventional iced coffee, which can often taste diluted or bitter, the X10 pulses cold water through coarse coffee grounds under pressure, resulting in a cold brew that is smooth, aromatic, and naturally sweet. This process preserves the delicate flavors and nuanced aromas of the coffee, offering a refreshing alternative that's ideal for warm afternoons or as an invigorating pick-me-up at any time of day. The cold extraction technology is fully automatic, requiring no extra steps or manual intervention, making it effortless to enjoy cafe-quality cold brew at home or in the office. The machine's 3.5-inch TFT color display is another highlight, providing an intuitive and visually engaging interface. The display guides you through drink selection, customization, and maintenance routines with clear icons and straightforward navigation. This interface significantly reduces the learning curve for new users, ensuring that everyone can access the full range of the X10's capabilities with confidence, regardless of their familiarity with espresso machines. Central to the X10's performance is the PA2 Plus grinder with aroma control. This state-of-the-art grinder actively monitors and adjusts grind consistency to match the specific requirements of each beverage. The result is a cup of coffee that is consistently aromatic, flavorful, and tailored to the unique characteristics of your chosen beans. The grinder's precision and speed also minimize heat buildup, which is crucial for preserving the essential oils and subtle notes that define truly exceptional coffee. For those who appreciate milk-based drinks, the X10 offers the ability to prepare 2 milk-based or coffee specialties simultaneously. This feature is invaluable in settings where efficiency and speed are essential, such as busy offices or during meetings and events. The machine automatically switches between milk and milk foam, ensuring that every cappuccino, flat white, or latte macchiato is crafted with the perfect texture and balance. The extra shot function further enhances these beverages, allowing you to add an extra dose of espresso for a more intense flavor and aroma, a feature that's particularly appreciated by those who enjoy bolder, more robust drinks. The X10 is also designed with security and practicality in mind. The lock and enable function allows administrators to control which products and programming options are accessible, making it ideal for shared or public environments. The lockable bean container and water tank add an extra layer of security, ensuring that ingredients remain fresh and uncontaminated throughout the day. Water quality is meticulously managed by the Intelligent Water System, which uses RFID technology to automatically detect the CLEARYL Pro Smart Plus filter. This system ensures that every beverage is brewed with pure, filtered water, free from impurities that can dull flavor or damage the machine. It also significantly reduces the need for descaling, streamlining maintenance, and extending the life of the X10. The machine's compatibility with Wi-Fi Connect and the Jura Operating Experience app brings a modern, connected dimension to coffee preparation. Through the app, you can customize drinks, initiate brewing, and monitor maintenance from your smartphone or tablet, adding a layer of convenience and personalization that is especially valuable in dynamic, fast-paced environments. With a recommended maximum daily output of up to 100 cups, the X10 is built to handle high demand with ease. Its robust construction, advanced features, and thoughtful design ensure that it delivers consistent, high-quality results cup after cup, day after day. The Jura X10 is more than just a coffee machine. It's a comprehensive coffee solution that brings variety, quality, and ease to every user, making it an indispensable asset in any professional or communal space. Thanks for watching. If the Jura X10 sounds like your next coffee companion, you'll find the best prices and more information in the description below.